Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video is about Masjid-e-Nimra. Masjid-e-Nimra stands as a testament to the historical and spiritual richness of Islam. Masjid-e-Nimra is located in the plains of Arafat at Wadi Urana in Makkah, Saudi Arabia. When the Prophet ﷺ was at Arafat on his farewell Hajj on the 9th of Zulhajj, 10th age, he camped here. After midday, he delivered his famous sermon in the Urana valley while seated on his camel, after which he led the Salah. More than 100,000 Sahaba accompanied him on this Hajj. It is one of the most important landmarks during the Hajj, as it is where the khutbahs are delivered to pilgrims during the day of Arafah, during the Zohar and Asr prayers. Some part of the Masjid-e-Nimra is outside Arafat. This is because Prophet Muhammad ﷺ delivered a sermon at Wadi Urana, which is outside the boundaries of Arafat. After the Masjid-e-Nimra experienced extensions, it was divided into two units. The first unit of Masjid-e-Nimra is where the sermon was delivered, that is outside the Arafat region, while the second half rests inside the Arafat. Only two Salat prayers are offered in this mosque during a year. On Hajj day, the 9th Zulhajj Zohar and Asr Salat prayers are offered jointly by faithful. It is the main action of Hajj, which is called Waquf in Arabic, which means to stay. During Hajj, it is very difficult for every pilgrim to reach here, but in other days except Hajj, the mosque remains empty and might be seen easily. Its courtyard area remains open for Nafil prayers. Inner hall remains closed. Except these two, no other Salat throughout the year is observed here, and Masjid remains closed except Hajj day. This mosque is outside the borders of Haram. It is known in many historical books by several names, such as the Mosque of the Prophet Ibrahim, the Mosque of Arafah, and the Mosque of Arna. The name Arafah Mosque was taken from a village outside Arafah where the Prophet resided and then walked from there to the heart of the valley, where he prayed the noon and afternoon prayers and delivered sermons in the mosque. It accommodates about 350,000 worshippers. It has 6 minarets and each minaret is 60 meters high. It has 3 domes and 10 main entrances containing 64 doors. It has an external radio room equipped to broadcast the sermon and noon and afternoon prayers on the day of Arafah directly via satellite. The mosque has been receiving pilgrims from the Sacred House of God from an early stage in order to obtain a location inside the mosque to which Muslims from all over the world turn to listen to Arafat's sermon. Pilgrims of Hajj get opportunity to see this mosque, but pilgrims of Umrah have to go especially there to see it. For the pilgrims of Umrah, the visit of this mosque is not necessary, but they just try to see this holy place as a ziyarah. From Makkah, taxis and other private vehicles carry pilgrims to show this mosque and other religious historical places. Jazakallah. Hope you liked the video. Please comment, share and subscribe the channel. Jazakumullahu khairan kathira. Thank you.